In this video, you'll learn how to change the website name in Webflow. By following these steps, you will successfully update your site's title to better reflect your brand or project. Begin by navigating to the Webflow dashboard, open a web browser, and enter the Webflow URL to access your workspace. Once you arrive at the dashboard, ensure you are logged in with your account credentials. This is essential for accessing your projects. Next, locate the section labeled Sites on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click this option to view all the projects associated with your account. After this action, you will see a list of your websites displayed on the screen. Once the list of sites appears, identify the project for which you want to change the name. Look for 3 vertical dots next to the site title. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu with additional options. After clicking the 3 dots, select the option labeled Settings from the drop-down menu. This action will redirect you to the settings page for your chosen project. You will recognize this page by its distinct layout, which includes various tabs and options related to your site. Once on the settings page, find the tab labeled General. Click on this tab to access general settings for your site. This area contains essential information, including the current name of your website. Next, look for the field labeled Name. Click within this field to edit the current site name. Type in the new name that you wish to assign to your website. Ensure that the name reflects your branding or the purpose of your site. After entering the new name, locate and click the button labeled Save. This action will update the website name in the system. A confirmation message may appear indicating that your changes have been successfully saved. Next, click on the back button to return to the previous page. This will take you back to the general settings overview. Finally, check if the name has been updated successfully by looking at the site title displayed on the settings page. If the new name is visible, the process is complete. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.